Welcome back. It's Friday the 13th of March. I'm just doing a lamb check here in the morning. There's been a bit of snow overnight, sort of just light enough snow, but it is snowing. Not too many lambs overnight. It's sort of going through a bit of a lull at the moment. We're not having that many lambing. 2 degrees here at the moment, but there is snow up on the hills, only a small bit. All the sheep are inside. There's 2 lambs that were born last night, black faced. There are 2 over there, so we still about 25, 26 to lamb. Again, if you like my channel, please subscribe. I very much appreciate all the support. It's Ireland Mountain Life. See you on the next one.